So you as an agent find an issue that needs addressing, seller says, oh, I still can't afford to fix it. Don't worry about it. Curbio is going to do the same functionality. Come in, dedicated project manager, fix it, warranty it, seller pays at closing out of escrow, and you're off to the races. The problem typically with negotiating for repairs on the buy side is you've really got three opportunities. Reduce the price of the home.
Right.
Doesn't put money in the buyer's pocket. How are they going to afford to get stuff fixed? So let's not do that. Right? You can also do towards closing costs. Yeah, but in this market with rates at 6.5%, 7%, most of the buyers have used their closing cost allowance to buy down points.
Right.
And they've only got a 2% allowance, so there's no money left there. So it's funny money, it's imaginary, it doesn't exist. So you can't do that.
Right.
Have the seller, have their person come out and fix it. They're going to hire the cheapest guy
100%.
on Craigslist, the lipstick on a pig guy.
Yeah.
So now you're left holding the basket. Not an option. However, you say Curbio, good company, great reputation, going to warranty the work. You don't pay anything till closing. That's a good option for both parties, and we know the work's going to get done right before closing.